back with a tip. This is where Wiseco says to put the gaps on this oil control ring. It makes it precisely 600 times easier to put this together if you put the oil control, the scrunchie, the actual, oil expander, the scrunchie part in first before this bottom ring. If you put the bottom ring in, it's a giant pain in the butt to put the expander on top of it. So put the scrunchie part in first, then put your bottom one on, then put your top one on. Little piece of advice on my 5th piston. So the first 4 I did not do that. You live and you learn. Then once you get the oil expander on and the control rings on, you can then put your rings on. So on the 300ZX, these only go one way. The thicker, darker ring is actually marked N50. That faces up, as well as the compression ring. That's the shiny one. The shiny ring is the top ring, the compression ring. The second compression ring is the dark one. But anyways, the shiny one also has writing on it, that N50. That's going to face up also. Just a little tip for you.